Welcome back. If you've been trying to find all your reels on Facebook web using a PC and the new update has made things a little harder to spot, don't worry, I'll show the exact steps in a simple way. First, open Facebook web on your computer and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu with several account options. From there, go down to Settings and Privacy and click it. When the next menu appears, choose Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a record of your activity, including posts, reactions, comments, and reels. Now, inside the activity log, look for the section called Your Facebook Activity. Click on it to expand the available options. After that, find Reels and select it. This will take you to the area where all your reel-related activity is stored. Next, click on Your Reels. Here, you'll be able to see the reels you've created or shared on your Facebook account. If you're trying to review older content, this section is especially useful because it brings everything together in one place. So again, the full path is open Facebook web, click your profile photo at the top right, go to Settings and Privacy, open Activity Log, choose your Facebook activity, click Reels, and then enter your reels. That's it now. You know how to find all your reels on Facebook web on PC after the new update. If this helped, make sure to try it on your own account and see how quickly you can access your reel history.